Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. In this video we can solve the value of this equation, which is 6 divided by 3 multiplied by 4 divided by 2 whole square. So how can solve this? First of all, we should all know according to PEMDAS rule, which is BODMAS. Now in this BODMAS, what is the meaning of BODMAN and S? B stand for bracket, O stand for order, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay, now we can solve this equation by this method. Okay, so first of all, in this equation bracket and order is not included. Now start we can take from division. So here 6 divided by 3, so 6 divided by 3 value is 2. Okay, so I can write here 2 multiply by 4 divided by 2 whole square. Okay, now I can again solve division, because in BODMAS rule first of all division, then multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay, so 2 multiply by 4 divided by 2 value is 2 whole square. Okay, so now 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4, square is equal to 16. So the value of this equation is, I can write here 16. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you. If you cannot subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for more video. Thanks a lot.